Love the packaging on here. I hate to tear it. Her packaging is the best. Look at how pretty this is. Look. Even the box that it's shipped in. Did you see the box it's shipped in? I mean, look at the box it's shipped in. Anyway. This is my third purchase from Jane Wynn. Look. Oh, love it. I keep all these pouches. I love the symbolism. Trying to get it out of here while I'm holding the phone. Let's do a little tipsy. I got the moon. This was during her 20% off sale, and I got a moon. Just something to go. I have one coin in gold vermeil, the smaller size, the Protect Snake. I also have another coin in sterling silver, and it's the Forever Keys. And now I have this. Gorgeous. I normally don't buy vermeil, but she does hers in 14 karat gold vermeil. And 14 karat gold is more sturdy than 18 karat gold. So the likelihood of it wearing off, especially as a necklace, like rings, I wear gold rings, solid gold rings, because they get a lot of wear and tear. But necklaces, not really, you know. I just take it off when I shower. That's it. Anyway, hope you enjoyed my Jane Wynn unboxing. It was super quick. Everything that she makes is gorgeous, and I love it. And I can't wait to pop this on. Thanks.